Replacing your home's windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make, especially in Gilbert, where high temperatures and intense sunlight are common. New windows enhance your home's energy efficiency, boost its curb appeal, and improve overall comfort. But with so many options available, it can be challenging to know where to start. This ultimate guide covers everything you need to know about home window replacement services in Gilbert, Arizona. Why replace your windows? Gilbert's climate presents unique challenges. The intense desert sun can cause windows to deteriorate faster, leading to inefficiencies in insulation and a higher cooling demand. Replacing old windows helps address these issues by providing better insulation, which keeps your home cooler and reduces energy costs. New windows also improve security, reduce outside noise, and add value to your property. For Gilbert homeowners, upgrading windows is not only a matter of comfort but also a savvy investment. Selecting the right window materials. The material of your windows is crucial, as it affects durability, efficiency, and aesthetics. Some of the most popular window materials for Gilbert homes include vinyl, a budget-friendly, low-maintenance material that performs well in Gilbert's climate. Vinyl is known for its energy efficiency and resistance to fading. Aluminum. Lightweight and durable, aluminum frames offer a modern look but can be less energy efficient. Some aluminum frames now come with thermal breaks, which enhance insulation. Fiberglass. A high-end material that resists warping and performs exceptionally well in high heat. Fiberglass is low-maintenance, long-lasting, and highly energy efficient, although it typically costs more than vinyl or aluminum. Each material has its pros and cons, so it's essential to weigh the options based on your budget, style, and energy needs. Understanding window styles. There are numerous window styles available, each offering different levels of functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Some of the most popular styles in Gilbert include single hung and double hung. Classic styles that are easy to use and budget-friendly. Single hung windows open from the bottom, while double hung windows open from both the top and bottom, allowing for better airflow. Casement. Hinged on the side and opening outward, casement windows offer excellent ventilation and seal tightly when closed, which helps with energy efficiency. Sliding. Ideal for wide openings, sliding windows are easy to operate and give a modern, streamlined look. Picture windows. Fixed windows that don't open, picture windows are perfect for maximizing views and letting in natural light. Choosing the right style depends on the room's function, ventilation needs, and your preferred aesthetic. A window replacement specialist in Gilbert can help you select the best style for each room in your home. Energy efficiency features to consider. Energy efficiency is a top priority for Gilbert homeowners, given the city's hot climate. When shopping for windows, look for features that help reduce heat transfer and improve insulation, such as low E glass, low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat away from your windows, keeping your home cooler and reducing the load on your air conditioner. Double or triple panes. Multi-pane windows add an insulating layer of air or gas, reducing heat transfer and improving energy efficiency. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between window panes can enhance insulation without impacting visibility. Window tinting. Some windows come with tints that reduce glare and block UV rays, helping protect your interior furnishings from sun damage. Selecting windows with these features will not only improve comfort but also help you save on energy costs in the long run. The installation process. Professional installation is key to ensuring your new windows perform optimally. Reputable window replacement companies in Gilbert will begin with a consultation to understand your needs and preferences, followed by precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. On installation day, the team will remove your old windows, prep the frames, and carefully install the new windows, sealing them tightly to prevent drafts and air leaks. A high-quality installation not only improves energy efficiency but also prevents issues like water damage or warped frames. Be sure to choose a licensed and insured window replacement company with experience in the Gilbert area for best results. Budgeting and financing options. Window replacement is an investment, but there are ways to make it more affordable. Many window companies offer financing options, allowing you to spread out payments over time. Additionally, some windows qualify for energy-efficient rebates or tax credits, which can help reduce costs. Before you commit, ask for an itemized estimate to understand all associated costs and ensure there are no hidden fees. Selecting a reliable window replacement service in Gilbert. Choosing the right company for your window replacement is essential to ensure quality, durability, and satisfaction. Look for a local provider with positive customer reviews, transparent pricing, and warranties on both products and installation. A reputable company will offer a free consultation, clear explanations of your options, and an itemized quote to help you make an informed decision. For Gilbert homeowners, replacing windows is more than just a home upgrade. It's a chance to enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and home value. By selecting the right materials, styles, and energy-efficient features, and working with a professional installer, you can make an investment that pays off in both savings and satisfaction. Whether you're looking to improve your home's appearance or reduce your energy bills, a professional window replacement service can help you achieve your goals, giving you beautiful, efficient windows that will serve your home for years to come.